To change the ear tips of your Soundcore R50i earbuds is simple. All you need to do is simply grab an earbud and then unfurl it like so. So this tip should be unfurled like this, pointing out. And then you just need to press in and then pull, and you should see the tape has been successfully removed. You can go ahead and do the same thing on the other end, unfurl it, press in, pull, and you can see they've been successfully removed. Now you can go ahead and grab other tips if you want to. Or if you've already finished cleaning these ones, whether if they're in different sizes or colors, and just put them back on the bud. So to do that, you're going to align the circular part with the bud like so. And then once it's been put inside completely, just refurl the tip like so, and it should look something like that. You can do the same thing on the other tip, just insert it in, and then unfurl or refurl, and then you can see it like that. And so that is how you can successfully change the ear tips of your Soundcore R50i earbuds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.